We'll guide you through how to use the Wix core plan to build and manage your website effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your account. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, you'll see the option to start a new site. Click on Create New Site to begin. You'll be asked to choose the type of website you want to create, such as a business site, an online store, or a portfolio. Select the option that best fits your needs. The Wix ADI, or Artificial Design Intelligence, can help you by creating a customized site for you based on your answers to a few questions. This is perfect if you want a quick start. Alternatively, you can choose the Wix editor for more creative control, allowing you to drag and drop elements exactly where you want them. Once you've chosen your design method, you'll be taken to the template selection. Browse through the options and select a template that suits your style and purpose. After selecting a template, you can start customizing it. You can add pages, change colors, fonts, and images to match your brand. Don't forget to utilize the Wix App Market, where you can add functionalities like booking systems, chat features, and more to enhance your site. It's important to check how your site looks on mobile by using the Mobile View option, ensuring it's responsive and user-friendly. When you're satisfied with the design, click on Publish to make your site live. Wix also offers additional features like SEO tools to help you optimize your site for search engines. You can find these under the Marketing and SEO section of your dashboard. Use these tools to improve your site's visibility and attract more visitors. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.